Ow! Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God, that hurts.
Ooh.
Wow.
Adjustment out of here. Kind of stuck up here. Yeah. In here. Good. Let your arms hang on the floor. Take a breath in and out. Lift your head for me. There you go.
All right. Keep that in. And okay. Look up. Okay, deep breath. Stand out. That was a good one.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, keep your teeth together for me. And nice deep breath. Girl. And just breathe normal for me. I'll catch you. That's it. Perfect. Boy, that was perfect. Home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. And looky there, you're still kicking. Okay. This is their favorite, the Palmer Diversified Cervical Rotary Brake. Yep. Yours too, though, huh? Yep, just like that. All right, breathe out.
Ooh.
Oh, what?
That felt awesome.
That felt awesome? Why are you giggling? What? What's so funny?
But that sound was just awesome.
This side's really tight. You feel all that right there. Woo. You can feel the reverse curve in here. Man, it is spasming over here. This whole left side around C3, C4. I'm going to take my hand. I'm going to go right through it. I'm going to move it in the right direction. Wow. It's really tight. Whoa. That was awesome.
Okay. Keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. Just like that. Boy, oh boy. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your neck here now. There. There you go. Good.
Just relax. You're doing great. Good. Breathe out. So, Jonathan, come down here. I want to try to get reduce some of this face paper noise.
Oh, Lord.
This will
Oh,
There you go. That one's better.
oh,
Good?
that was this side.
Yeah.
Man.
I'm going to bring it all the way over. Feel it just drop. Other side, please. There we go. That's right. Oh, that's the side. Yeah, there you go. On your back. So it's not just athletes. It's, you know, we get CEOs that come in. We get caterers and chefs, people that use their body every day and they don't want to be tired, they don't want to be achy, they don't want to be sore, they want to feel better. Let your head roll back, let this relax.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Yeah. Okay, he's fighting me a little bit, which is understandable. Just let it come. Good. You're doing good. Doing great. That's it. Come this way. Good. Okay. Okay, adjustment. He is a little bit of a fighter, but it went okay.
Yeah.
Good. Good. This side's much easier already. Feel it? Turn to the right here. To the right here. Good. 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 Much better. There you go. You okay?
That was good.
That was good. Good. Just right here. Just gonna stretch a little bit more. Just let it go. Right there. There we go. There we go. Excellent. Good. We're gonna do one more. Okay. Just gonna bring it right over here. And this might be a little bit bigger. The side's a little bit tighter. Okay, I'm gonna stretch right side here. A little bit more. That's it. But just relax. There we go. There we go. Woo! There we go. Good. There you go. Good. There we go. Good. Now it hurt a little bit?
A little bit,
A
yeah.
little bit? Okay.
Okay. Keep your teeth together and just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah. That's why we call it ring dare. Felt that all the way down, didn't you? Mm-hmm. See, you're still kicking. You're good. There we go. That's it.
$100.
Just like that. Want to acknowledge her chiropractor, her and Jeremy's chiropractor up in Washington State, Dr. Dam. There we go. Boy, that was the full tilt, Diva. Yeah. You're still attached. Whew. Boy, that was much more solid than this morning's even. There we go. That's it. Boy, you're being more cooperative this afternoon.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Nice. One more. It's actually tight in here. This side up for me. We're going to move that a little different way. So she's been watching the videos as well. And she's decided to come in.
Yeah.
And this is your first time ever getting adjusted, right?
Yes.
Nice. Bring this forward. Okay. Give yourself a big hug.
Okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good.
Oh,
Your
that felt good.
I knew I was going to face that way for me. Reflex. Yep, deep breath. All the way out. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go face up for me.
Great.
Are you ready, Missy?
Yep. Oh my God.
Nice. And there goes the red ears. Famous red ears. One more. There's another. That was awesome.
Let your head go in my hand here now. There you go. Let me have you. There you go. I still got one here. I want you to tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. That's better. Okay.
Good. How's that, fella?
That was a big one.
That's a biggie. Yeah. Good. Much better. There we have it. Good. Good, dude. I love it.
Ah. Ah.